Hi, my name is Pascal Doucet, Vice President of Sales at Doucet Machinery. Today I want to take the time to explain to you the different roller type you can get on the return conveyors. Depending on the application, depending on the size of your unit, there's different rollers that apply, but also even if you go with the standard unit, you can also buy a different roller in options. So the standard rollers is what we call the PVC rollers. So it's driven by a 3mm bend from the rollers to the arbor below. Then we can look at that roller, which is still in PVC, okay, but it's covered with a urethane sleeve. The urethane sleeves are for the high traction roll, and also driven with a 10mm flat belt instead of a 3mm round belt. So because we call them the high traction roll, it's because, let's say for example, we have a panel turning device. Some roller would need more traction to make that rotation happen because you're going to have more weight on specific rollers. Or it could be because you're driving like a bigger weight, so maybe you want to add the high traction rollers. But essentially that's the same core except just the high traction urethane on it. The PVC roller material, they're limited with the 36 inches width of conveyors. As soon as you switch to 48 and 60, then we go with steel rollers. So here I have the steel roller, plain steel roller, and they will be driven by the same flat belt that we have on the high traction roll. And here I have the steel roller covered with a PVC shrink wrap sleeve. Like for example, when we start this kind of sleeve, it slip on the roller, go to your oven to shrink to the rollers, and that will give you more charge and also the traction with the 10mm belt. So that's for the 48 and 60 inch standard. But if you have, let's say, a 36 inches roller, you can have an HD version up for higher charge, like over 150 pounds of charge going to be traveling on it. So you can order the 36 inches roller with the even with the steel core material. People asking us sometimes, how do I swap my rollers, that kind of stuff. It's easy. Using a flat screwdriver, you can go on the side, lift it up. Those rollers are made with a spring inside rod here, so that's why this is how they slide in and out from the rollers. So even if it's a water rollers, you just do the same from here. Driving band, I know we went quickly, I explained those, but so we have the red round belt, which is a 3mm round belt. That's the one that's going to go from your roller to the arbor. You're just going to twist it and stretch it. We also have like the same 3mm belt but in a green color, but it's also an adhesive material which has a bit more resistant to abrasion. So for example, if you are like in a ripsaw application, what we call the BTRS, it's normally mounted with the green belt because you may have like more rougher surfaces wood on this, so that will be a longer lifespan for those kind of belt. And we have what, like here, the high traction bend, which is a 10mm flat belt. So because of its flat, you have more power transmit from the arbor to the rollers, and also a really great resistance to abrasion. So I hope you like what you've seen today and learn how you can pick like different rollers. And so if you have any question, you can call us back. Also, if you already own a roller conveyor from us and you've seen like, oh, maybe that roller would be good for us now, maybe something has changed. I mean, remember, you can always swap the rollers on your unit by ordering a new roller. They will fit in even in an older version. Thank you and have a good day.